Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use Sketchbook Free Edition to practice line drawings. So first I imported the two pictures. One is a cherry blossom picture, the other one is a Morandy colors. First I created a new layer for me to use, and then I switched to the cherry blossom layer. Use two fingers to press down on the screen to zoom in and rotate the picture. Then I switched to the Morandy color, selected the technical pen from the left, and then I press down the pen, move the target to the color which I want to select. So now I switch back to the new layer, and then I set the size to 2 and occupancy to 100% for the technical pen. And because I already selected the pink color, I can start drawing. So when you try to start digital painting, the first and most fundamental exercise you need to do is to practice draw lines. So this is a very good practice I'm showing here for you to get a feel of your pen. Get used to it, and also get used to the pressure you're going to press down on the screens. Also, you have a chance to practice many times to draw straight lines, curved lines, circles, and dots. On top of that, you will also get a very beautiful cherry blossom picture. Right. You see the pink flowers, brown branches, yellow center, and the green leaves. They are all from Morandy color. Looks very pretty. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.